We create so many memories over our lifetime, and sometimes we lost sight of them. What if there was a way for extra technology to let us re-experience these cherished moments? Introducing 63 Galleria.
This is 63 Galleria's interactive demonstration. Here we have photos grouped in bubbles displayed along a timeline. I can grab here and move vertically to go forward and backward in time. Let's go back up here, and let's say I want to look at the photos that are in this bubble. I can pinch at that bubble and it will move closer to me. I can then grab individual photos from here, and when I release them, they will stay there and become enlarged. Or I can move to a different bubble, and that bubble will move back. And if I put this back, it'll return where it went. So now I can continue to scroll, find another bubble that looks interesting, click on it, and grab some more photos to look at. Additionally, there's also the option to grab this to rotate the bubbles around if one is slightly out of view. And those are all the features of our interactive photo gallery.